Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. By the time you see this video, it will definitely be after Christmas. So what I thought I'd do today is show you a perfect breakfast low carb kind of waffle called a Chaffle, because it's predominantly made of cheese. So you can either dress it up, have it sweet, have it savory, any which way you like. It's low carb, it's nutritious, and it's very yummy. So on that note, without any further ado, let's get started and make these wonderful keto waffles. Now for the taste test. I've just put some mascarpone cheese, some cream and some fruit on the top, and I've sprinkled it with a little bit of stevia, so here we go. Honestly, breakfast, lunch, brunch, dessert, it's an absolutely deliciously Moorish waffle. You can't even really taste the cheese because the stevia, the cream and the fruit will disguise it. It's very yummy. Let me tell you, if you just have one, it will fill you up. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this beautifully low carb cheese sort of waffle. And if you did and you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Once again, my go-to mantra, I'm going to finish this off, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.